I just realized that I never made a video about how to buy dollars on Piggyvest, and I thought to quickly do this now. This is my Piggyvest account. When I go to piggyvest.com, it takes me to mobile.piggyvest.com, like it's forcing me to use the mobile site. But it's fine. I can pretty much see everything and do everything from here, so I will proceed. So let's assume that you've signed up on Piggyvest. You already have an account. I expect you to already have an account. Log into your account. You're going to get an interface like this one. Then the next thing you want to do, again, we want to buy dollars on Piggyvest. So the next thing you want to do is click on Flex Dollar here. See this option down here, it says Flex Dollar. That's the next thing you want to do. There are other features here like the PiggyBank option, the Safe Lock option. The PiggyBank option basically lets you to save a particular amount, maybe monthly or weekly or daily, basically from your bank account to Piggyvest. Safe Lock is to basically lock up your money so that you don't spend it as you're saving. And all of these, they give interest. The Flex Naira is basically the feature that gives you a bank account that you can use to receive money. Then there's the house money, there's the target savings where you pretty much save with friends and family, or join a savings community and save together. But again, for the sake of this video, we're just going to be talking about Flex Dollar. So I'm just going to click on Flex Dollar. As you can see, I have some dollar here, like $19, which is not much. I can go ahead and convert it to Naira now if I want by clicking on Convert to Naira, or I can go ahead and pretty much click on Pay to Bank. What the Pay to Bank option does is basically do like a deposit thing where you can deposit money from your Flex Dollars to a dollar account. So you can move your money from here to a dollar account. Is it a US dollar account or a Nigerian dollar account? So you can also do that as well. I think that most people currently, when they want to convert their money from dollar to Naira and withdraw the money, what they do is click on Convert to Naira and they just convert the money to Naira and withdraw the money. But again, for the sake of this video, we want to invest in dollars. We want to buy dollars. So I'm going to click on Buy Flex Dollar. I'll click on that. What you should do next is basically show me what the current dollar rate is. $1 costs 1,585. So I'd like to do a little, just a little, like say $10. You know what? Let's do $11, so that $11 plus the $19 I have there before is going to amount to something in a sense. So what the exchange rate turned out to be is in total 17,434. I'm gonna click on agree. Now it's asking me where do I want to deposit the money from, the Naira that I want to convert to dollars. So the options I have here is debit card option. I also have pocket option if you use the pocket app, which is owned by PiggyBank as well. In this case, I think there is a third option here. I'm not sure what this third option says. Let me see if I can move my mouse. It's not moving. I can't move right or left, but I think that this option, the third option here, is probably deposit via bank transfer or something. I'm not sure. The UI has really gotten bad. It used to be better than this actually. But again, in this case, because I already have my card connected to my PiggyBank account, I am going to use debit card, and then I'm going to click on credit Flex Dollar. But before we do that, I want to see something. I want to check something real quick. Let's see what this third option is actually. It's asking for my Piggyvest pin. I'm gonna enter that. Then let's see what happens. Charge attempted, card expired. Okay, I think it's one of my old cards, I think. But again, for the sake of this video, I think that if you're also on mobile, it will be easy for you. I can just click on debit card and select this debit card. Click here, enter my pin. And let's see. Still loading. And boom, awesome. Your request to fund your Flex Dollar wallet was successful. It should reflect now. Maybe I should refresh the page. So I just got a debit alert on my bank account, the same exact amount that was mentioned there. So let's click on the details of this transaction to see more information. Moment. I was hoping it would expand. Oh, it did expand, but it doesn't show how much in Naira. Although it did show when we were about to convert it. But again, the total Naira conversion, the debit alert I got on my part is 17,435 Naira. So as you can see now, I have $30. That is how you convert Naira to dollar on um on Piggyvest. Basically, what I just did is bought dollars from Piggyvest at their own rate. So the rate is going to be super duper different from what you generally be aware of. And then if I decide to now sell it, convert to Naira, you'll notice that the rate is also different, 1,550. This is like the official rate, but they are basically charging me black market rate when I'm buying from them, which is not fair. But again, I am buying for long term. I bought the dollar now. I am going to leave it like this for another 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 5 years. If the Nigerian economy gets worse, my money will appreciate. If it gets better, then I'll probably just leave it here because my money will basically depreciate. So that's it, really. Thank you for your time. At any time, I can just come here and convert my money back to Naira. But again, like I said, I will not do that now. And the benefit of really just doing this conversion is the fact that I get 7% per annum. I basically get interest on this. And if I have more money, I am going to buy more dollars and just leave them here. So that's how it works. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you have concerns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel because I make helpful videos like this. Bye.